The BAGSMART Rolling Laptop Bag offers a spacious capacity of 40 liters, making it ideal for carrying all your daily office supplies and travel essentials. This versatile bag is designed to fit most airline overhead bins and has underseat compatibility, ensuring your essentials are always within reach during flights. With a superior handle and rubber wheels, the bag provides smooth maneuvering, even on bumpy roads, and can be easily attached to your luggage using the trolley strap. The user-friendly design includes sturdy handles and multiple pockets, allowing for quick access to small items like pens and earphones, as well as larger items like an umbrella or water bottle. Perfect for various occasions, this roller bag is suitable for business trips, commuting, or school and can be combined with an extra suitcase for added convenience. BAGSMART is committed to delivering high-quality products and offers responsive customer service should any quality issues arise.